join with me now in knowing something powerful and good for yourself. I know there is only one God, one mind, one power. That power is divine love. It's perfect intelligence. It shows up in my life through my best ideas for myself. So here today, I lift my eyes up to a greater knowing. Here today, I see and believe. I step out in faith of how Spirit can show me greater health, more love, more joy, more happiness, more laughter. All those things in life that make me feel alive. For this is what Spirit is doing, showing up, calling me on to a better knowing for myself. It's my truth. I celebrate this right knowing. Every cell of my being radiates its value and truth, and I release it into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this truth with me. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. Until we see each other again, many blessings, Reverend Ken. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.